Hello everyone. So I am back with another question, that is problem 1.4 from your NCERT of chapter 1 chemistry. So this question is similar like the previous question, which says how many moles of methane are required to produce 22 grams of carbon dioxide after combustion. So first of all, we should know that what is this reaction. So this reaction is, as we know, that methane is CH4 and we are doing the reaction combustion, which is burning in the presence of oxygen. If we burn the methane, we get 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 2 mole of water. And this is how this is a balanced chemical equation. Now we do not need oxygen and water. We need methane and carbon dioxide relationship. So as we know that 1 mole of methane combust and form 1 mole of carbon dioxide. 1 mole of methane weighs, carbon is 12 gram, hydrogen is 1 gram, there are 4 hydrogens, so it is 16 gram methane. Okay, so 16 gram methane produces how much carbon dioxide? Carbon is once again 12 gram and oxygen is 16 gram, but there are 2 oxygens, so 16 plus 16, 32, so it is 44 grams. So as we know, when we combust 16 gram methane, we get 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Okay, so first we have converted moles into grams, and after solving it, we are going to convert mass into moles once again. So 16 gram methane is produced from 44 grams of carbon dioxide. We can write it down in the other way also, that is 44 gram of carbon dioxide is produced by 16 gram of methane, right? So there are 22 grams of carbon dioxide is given to us. So 22 gram of carbon dioxide is equal to 16 gram of methane divided by 44 gram multiplied by 22 gram. Okay, when we solve it, we get 8 gram of methane. So when 22 gram carbon dioxide is produced, 8 gram of methane is used. Now we have to convert it into number of moles. Why number of moles? Because we have been asked in the question how many moles, right? So as we know, 44 gram of carbon dioxide was 1 mole of carbon dioxide. 22 gram of carbon dioxide mean half mole of carbon dioxide, right? Similarly, 16 gram of methane means 1 mole of methane, and 8 gram methane means half mole of methane. So how many moles of methane are required to produce 22 gram of carbon dioxide? So we need half a mole of methane to produce 22 gram of carbon dioxide gas during combustion. So this is how you can solve this question. Thank you and have a nice day. Hope